To enable or leave simple mode in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find accessibility and convenience. Then we can scroll down again, and we need to find the simple mode. As you can see, it's right here, and you can enter it. That way, this mode should greatly increase the accessibility of your device. All of the font as well as the screen size will increase, so it's much easier to read or just see the icons, and it doesn't change much of anything else. It will also impact the settings page. So as you can see right here, we have a few different settings that we can quickly access, and some of the settings that could impact performance or just straight out break our device are missing. If you want to access all settings, you can always click on all settings right here, or if you want to exit simple mode, just click on this button right here inside of the settings. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.